This is a small video showing how to install the Logitech Webcam software if you have one for your Mac. So in searching Google, I'll go to logitech.com and then I will search for, and I have a Logitech C615. So I'll type C615 and there it is. Okay, instead of buying one, I want to find the drivers. I want to get support for this device. I want to go to downloads. And I want to download the software for this camera. And as you can see, it went down to my downloads. And there it is. And I'm going to walk through it. You have to agree twice. Do an install, and I'm going to do it on my SSD. Got to put my password in. Very quick. And on Mojave now it says, hey, do you want to move it to trash on the installer so you can save space on your hard drive? Well, I'm going to do that. So now if I go down to my applications, go to my camera settings, yes, I would like for you to do that, and hey, there I am, right there. Anyway, you can change some of the settings. You have advanced settings. You can change the color and tints. No, I'm not going to do that again. That's terrible. White balance, it's set to automatic brightness. Ugh. Contrast, no, I don't want to do that. Just leave it like it is. Anyway, this is a pretty neat utility. This is a USB webcam. It's kind of old, but works really well. 1080. So anyway, this is just a small tutorial on how to do that. Hope it helps somebody out. Thanks for watching.